Hello, my beautiful people. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. Today's video is a very effective hair growth recipe that is going to help you grow your hair much faster and also solve all your hair issues. In today's video, I'm going to use virgin hair fertilizer. If you read the directions you see on your screen right now on the box, you will notice that virgin hair fertilizer is a hair and scalp treatment. It is going to treat your scalp and also treat your hair strands and make your hair strands much stronger. Also, I have BATANA oil. BATANA oil is also a scalp treatment and a hair treatment. If you haven't seen the recipe of how to make BATANA oil, I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box, so make sure to watch it. Also, if you want to purchase BATANA oil or any of the natural ingredients I use in my recipes, make sure to check the description box because there are going to be links for you to purchase from. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you don't know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. So I measured about a tablespoon of my virgin hair fertilizer and also about a tablespoon of my BATANA oil. The next ingredient I'm going to use is mint. I'm going to use the mint tea bag. Mint is also a scalp treatment. Mint is going to stimulate blood flow into your scalp to help stimulate new healthy hair growth. It is also going to treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. When mint is added to your hair care routine, it will strengthen your hair strands and also prevent hair breakages. So as you can see, the three ingredients we've put together so far, which is the virgin hair fertilizer, BATANA oil, and the mint, are all scalp and hair treatment. They are all going to treat your scalp to stimulate new healthy hair growth. You all know new hair always grows from the scalp, so you must really pay attention to your scalp. Any recipe that is going to treat your scalp is something you must take seriously. This recipe right there is super effective. If you follow all the instructions, you are really going to see great result. So make sure you're sticking with me. I'm going to teach you the best way to use this recipe in order to get all the benefits out of it. It is one way knowing how to prepare this and another knowing how to use it. So make sure you're paying attention to it. So what I did was I used the double boiler method to melt everything together. After that, it is time to add my next ingredient. I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil is great. I love it for my hair. It can strengthen your hair strands and also prevent hair breakages. I added about a tablespoon of olive oil to this recipe. You do not have to use olive oil if you are allergic to olive oil or if you don't have it. You can use any oil of your choice. To name a few: coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Also, when it comes to the measurements, you can always adjust depending on the quantity that you are making. So this is my Moringa powder. Moringa powder is super great when it comes to hair growth, guys. If you haven't been adding Moringa powder to your hair care routine, then you are missing out on something good. Moringa can help you grow your hair much faster. It can improve blood circulation to the scalp, which will in turn help you grow new healthy hair. It is also going to treat your hair strands to make your hair strands much stronger. So I added about half a tablespoon of Moringa powder. Do not add too much of it, otherwise it is going to thicken up. After adding it, give it a good stir to make sure it is well mixed in. And hey you all, if you're still watching this video to this point and you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. And thank you for doing all that. So what I did was I used a paper towel to strain this recipe. It is very important to strain it because you do not want the moringa and the mint particles in your hair. The next ingredient I'm going to add is my essential oil. If you've been following me, you know I love my essential oils. Today I'm going to add my peppermint essential oil. It is also going to help stimulate blood flow to your scalp. This is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will also strengthen your hair strands. So every ingredient added in this recipe is all about strengthening your hair strands to prevent it from breaking and also treating your scalp. So you need a few drops of the essential oil as well as a few drops of the vitamin E oil. With essential oil, you can use any essential oil of your choice. After adding everything, make sure to give this recipe a good stir. After that, leave it in a refrigerator till it turns to a solid form. Then you can apply it as a cream. This is how it looks right out of the refrigerator. This recipe is super potent, guys. It's very powerful. It is a scalp treatment and also a hair treatment. So what you're going to do is you're going to apply this on your scalp. Make sure you section your hair so you can get access to your scalp. Even if you have your hair braided, you can still use this recipe. When you apply it, it melts down your scalp. You will not even see the color. It melts like an oil. It penetrates your scalp, and because it is lightweight, it is not going to block your follicles. It is rather going to treat your scalp to give way to new healthy hair growth. You can also use it in your hair strands. Make sure you massage it in. If you are balding or having problem at a specific part of your hair, concentrate on that side. You can apply this every other day or whenever you feel that you need to re-moisturize your hair. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one.